Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to attach and send folder in Gmail. Since Gmail doesn't allow you to attach folders directly, we'll compress it into a single file first, making it easy to share multiple files at once. First, open your computer and locate the folder you want to send. Once you found it, right-click on the folder to bring up the context menu. From the options that appear, select Add to Archive. This option will be available if you have WinRAR or a similar compression tool installed on your computer. This step is essential because it transforms your entire folder into a single compressed file that Gmail can accept as an attachment. After selecting Add to Archive, a WinRAR window will pop up. Here, you'll want to confirm that the archive format is set to RR, though zip is also a widely compatible option if you prefer. This format ensures your files are compressed efficiently while remaining easy for recipients to extract and access. Once you've verified the settings, click OK to create the archive. WinRAR will process the folder and generate a compressed file with a name like foldername.rar or foldername.zip in the same location as your original folder. Now that your folder is compressed, it's time to send it via Gmail. Open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing https://mail.google.com into the address bar. Sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, click the Compose button to start drafting a new email. This will open a fresh Compose window where you can prepare your message. In the Compose window, enter the recipient's email address in the To field and add a subject line that clearly describes what you're sending. Next, look for the Attach Files button at the bottom of the Compose window. It's represented by a paperclip icon. Click on it to open the file selection window. Navigate to the location where your WinRAR archive file was saved, select the compressed file and click Open. Gmail will begin uploading the file and attach it to your email. Depending on the file size, this may take a moment. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file listed as an attachment in your email. Take a moment to review your message, ensuring everything looks correct. When you're satisfied, click the Send button to deliver your email with the compressed folder attached. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.